Hey, welcome back to Travels Large. Today we are at the Luxor, room 8105. Come inside with me as I show you around. So the room we're staying in is a Pyramid Premier King room. So we got the king bed back there, and of course we're in the pyramid, as you can tell by the sloped walls, and you got to take the inclinator, not the elevator. You got to take the inclinator into your room. It's a pretty good sized room, honestly speaking. Looks like it's been recently renovated, because last time I stayed in a room like this a couple years ago, didn't have this wallpaper, so that's kind of new. And then also, like, I kind of like the closet slash, I don't know what to call the rest of this, but wardrobe maybe is what I'll call it. And so that's kind of new here. I like it. A couple things about this room you will notice. There are a couple signs of wear. We paid, I think it was $88 for the room plus resort fee, which was right about $45 plus tax. But if you look around a little bit, you can see signs of wear and tear, like down here on some of the chairs. That chair's got some stuff on it. The paint on the wall over here is peeling. Also, one thing about this room, I noticed if it is windy outside, you get this weird whistling noise from the glass. I didn't record it yesterday when it was really windy, so that is kind of obnoxious. I don't know if the tower rooms over there have the same issue. That is definitely something we notice here. We'll go on to the bathroom. I'll show you around there. One thing about the bathroom is the fan is pretty loud in here, but it is a good sized bathroom. Walk-in shower, plenty of room in there. Water pressure, I'll show you. Look at that water pressure. That just made the whole bathroom wet. So typical sink. As far as like your commodities is what I'm going to call them, they're all in bottles. You don't have like the individually wrapped soap and shampoo anymore. It's all in these bottles, so just kind of heads up on that. But I mean, overall, it's a cheap room. It's clean enough, and for the money, I would say it's pretty decent. The resort fee, I mean, it's kind of steep, but that's something you find in Vegas quite frequently, is resort fees. So if you found this information helpful, definitely hit that subscribe button. And in a small world, travels large.